Hello loves, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Cut to You design team layout. So today's cut file is Little Moments. This is the Cut of the Month Club cut file. So we've got this beautiful floral and then a great title already done for our layout. I'm going to back it with scraps. I'm going to use my How to Kill a Kit with Style for Vegas items. We've got 4 photos. This is in Caesar's Palace and they had a floral display. These bears and everything in here is pretty much made of flowers. So the Coca-Cola bears here are made of flowers. How freaking cool is that? Like the main things, and it was just so, my husband couldn't walk in there. He was like, I don't know. So it was just me and my mom. My husband's son and father did not care to go look at the pretty flowers, so me and my mommy ran around in there. And there was a very awkward picture of me, like I took a selfie with her, but I smiled so stupid. Okay. We're going to use the last of this one page. I have only this page left of just plain fun. And we're going to go ahead and cut that down. So I am going to go ahead and trim my photos. And mat my photo. Let's see what we have in here to mat with. I don't know why I kept those, to be honest with you. I'm making these strips, those small strips, go away. I probably shouldn't, because I could do a branding strip layout. That's what I was keeping them for. Why would you guys let me throw those away? I blame you. Just saying. I got them all back. It's fine. Okay. So, none of that. Not that. Not that. Nope. I also need something to mat. Photos and do the cut pile. Well, you know what? I know what we're going to do. Hold on. Hold please. We're going to mat our photos on this white cardstock that I have in there. And then what do we want to do? Like I need a red for the heart. There we go. Red for the heart. I seen green. You guys know I seen some green in here. I thought I seen more than that big piece. We might be able to actually just use that. And then I would like pink-ish. Okay, nothing over there can be used. This is becoming a task. I'm just saying. What if we did the yellow? I bet we could get the yellow. We'll do the flower in the yellow. That is going to take too much away from it. What do you think of the stripes, you guys? Not happening. Or we could probably get that out of that. And then I need, because the heart is going to be there. And then I need little. I need something for little. And we still keep going back over here even though I'm like, no, we're not using that. I'm clearly insane. We'll do that. Maybe. I don't know. I don't think that matches. That doesn't match. So let's do that. I need something for this flower now. Why are things so hard in my life? Okay. What do we have that will go? That isn't completely white, basically. Are going to be way too hard to read. We have a pink. Let's do this one. And let's do the heart pink. There we go. All right. It's been decided. Now that I've wasted a lot of your time, let me get this back and let me get my photos cut down and matted, and we'll come back and do the layout together. All right, so I've got I ended up being able to make this picture two. I cut them all down to 4x3s, and then I was just like, well, I could probably use that too, so we just stuck them together. I pulled some things out of Bella Boulevard and Pretty Little Studios to use. So we're just going to come in and add a little bit of embellishment. Let's get these presents up here. And then pop the balloons with them. What else do we have? We've got some party hats that we can add. So we'll have a cluster up there and a cluster here. Little party hats. Okay. And I've pulled in all these fun little things, so I think we'll put some adhesive. And we'll see if we can just lightly tuck that flower there. Let's get this pink one, we'll bring him down here. Just kind of sit on those. Just kind of pop them around. I don't actually know. Stick those there, and then I want to get these little whirly guys around. Let's see, let's get a dark blue one down here. Put this guy up here. I don't think that cake is going to quite make it on here, huh? Let me try. Let's put this guy up there. And then I'm thinking we could probably put the cake right here, just to, you know, make sure that we know it's a birthday layout. Alright, then we have these fun pieces that also go with the chipboard. So, just bring in a few extras just to kind of close the gap. And okay, got these little guys here that we're going to pop on as well, just to sprinkle the hearts around. Get those on there. And let's come in with the blues. All right. Okay, so that's going to do it. The only thing that I want to do is, because I feel like that background is totally needing something. It needs something. Let's draw a sketchy line around it with some black markers or a pen. Okay, so we're just going to come in just very carefully and slowly. I'm not breaking the wrist. I'm actually just dragging my arm right down the page. I'm just going to, I think this is actually going to close it up for me today. And there we go. I love when I have pre-made titles. So it's the big pops in there, and then the 3 little clusters, and I really don't have that much touching. Like, it was more of a spread it out. So don't forget to head over to Cut to You, pick up the Cut of the Month Club for the price, and you can continuously print them. It's not just one and done. You can print it. You can print it as many times as you want it and just cut that flower out each time and have an entire grove of flowers. You could do little or you could do moments. It's really up to you, but it is such a good deal. Do not pass it up. Head on over, check it out, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.